In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add booking calendar to Wix website. By the end, you'll have a working booking calendar added to your site and styled to match your brand. Start in the Wix IS editor for the site you want to update. On the left toolbar, open the Add Apps section. In the search bar, type Booking. From the results, choose Wix Bookings. If you don't see it on your site yet, click Add to Site. Wix will install the app and set up the essentials so you can start taking appointments. If the button is grayed out or it says it's already added, you're good to go. Next, open the Appearance panel in the editor. You'll see a new booking calendar page created for you. Click that page to load the calendar on your canvas. This is where you'll customize how everything looks and reads for your visitors. Click the booking calendar element itself and open Settings. This is your control center. Head to the layout section first. Here, you decide how your services, times, and calendar details are presented. Choose a layout that makes it easy for visitors to scan availability and book quickly. As you tweak the layout, think about clarity. Keep spacing comfortable, make sure important actions like the book button are obvious, and aim for a layout that matches your site's overall style. If you're designing for mobile too, glance at the mobile view to ensure nothing feels cramped. Now move to the text section. Update headings, labels, and button text so they sound like your brand. Short, clear wording works best. Use action-oriented labels that guide people through the process. While you're at it, check that the language is consistent across the page and keep accessibility in mind with readable phrasing and sufficient contrast in your color choices. Then, go to the date and time section. Set how dates and times appear, such as your preferred date format and time format. Align these settings with your audience's expectations, so there's no confusion when they pick a slot. If you serve customers across regions, choose formats that are widely understood and make sure the display feels intuitive. From here, continue fine-tuning to your liking. Adjust layout options, edit any remaining text, and refine date and time settings until the calendar feels seamless with the rest of your site. Use Preview to test the flow as if you were a customer, and make small tweaks to improve clarity and speed. That's it. Your booking calendar is now added and customized, ready to help visitors schedule with confidence.